All right, today we're going to do June 2009, Test 57, Section 1, Game 1, Questions 1 through 5. On a particular Saturday, a student will perform 6 activities: G, H, J, K, L, M, 6. Each activity will be performed once, one at a time. The order in which the activities are performed is subject to the following conditions. G has to be immediately after H. So we're going to put an H, we're going to put a G, we're going to box those in together, and that rule is done. K has to be earlier than G. So we're going to put K before H and G. M has to be earlier than L. So we're going to take M, I'm going to put it right before L. M has to be either immediately before or immediately after J. So we're going to go here and we're going to put J with a box like that. And now we are ready for our boards. What I know here is I have 6 players, 2 rules, and I'm going to need a bunch of boards. So I'm going to make those quickly. Now, a lot of people get to this point, they're not sure exactly what to do. They don't know the order of operations. They don't know how they're supposed to fill in multiple boards without systematically, without making any mistakes, without missing any. So what we're going to do is we have 2 blocks here. We have K with H and G, and we have MJL with an unknown space there. So we're going to start out with this KHG. I'm going to put K in 1, H in 2, G in 3, and I'm going to make 2 of those because I already know that the M can go on either side of the J, and that's 2 possibilities, so I'll need 2 boards. We're going to leave the K in the 1, we're going to put the H in the 3, and I can already see that that doesn't work because it's going to leave me 1 spot here, and the J and M is going to be forced over there, and they got to be together. So I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to put the K back in here, I'm going to move the H over there, I'm going to put the G over here, K, H, G, K, H, G, K, H, G. Now I'm going to move the K to 2. I can see that moving the K to 2 is going to leave me 1 single space over here and multiple spaces over there. So there's no way that K can be in 2. So I'm going to put K right in 3, save myself the boards so I don't have to scratch them out. And again, I'm making 2 of everything still. I'm going to go K, H, G, K, H, G, K, H, G, K, H, G. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert this. So I'm going to go M, J, L, J, M, L. This guy is gone. I'm going to go M, J, L, J, M, L, 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 J, M, L, M, J, L, and we're finished. We're ready to answer the questions. Question 1, which of the following could be the order from first to last of the students' activities? We're going to go through these answers one at a time, starting with A. A, do we have a JKH? No. None of our boards start with JKH. Answer A is eliminated. Answer B, JML. I have a JML here. Is it a JML HTK? No, it's not. Answer B is eliminated. C, do I have a KHG? I have a KHG here and here. Is it a KHG LMJ? It is not. Answer C is eliminated. D, do I have a KJM? I have a KJM here and a KJM here. Do I have a KJMLHG? KJMLHG. Answer D is correct, and we're moving on. Question 2, which one of the following activities cannot be third? So I'm going to figure this out by figuring out what can be third. G can be third, which means A is eliminated. J can be third, which means C is eliminated. M can be third, which means E is eliminated. K can be third, which means D is eliminated. Therefore, the correct answer is B. We're going to choose that and we're going to move on. Which of the following cannot be true? H is in fourth. Here we have H is in fourth. That can be true. A is eliminated. J is in fourth. Here we have J in 4. B is eliminated. K is second. We have no K in second. We're going to choose C and we're going to move on. 4. Which of the following activities cannot be fifth? We're going to figure this out the same way by figuring out what can be fifth. So we're going to look at 5. J, it can be. So C is eliminated. M, which means E is eliminated. G, which means A is eliminated. H, which means B is eliminated. Therefore, we're going to choose D and we're going to move on. This is the last question, question 5. Which one of the following, if substituted for the condition that motorcycle servicing has to be earlier than laundry, would have the same effect in determining the order of the student's activities? So this is complicated for a lot of people, but it doesn't have to be. We're going to go through the answer choices one at a time. So the first one says L has to be one of the last 3 activities. Here we have L as the third activity, which is one of the first 3. That means A is eliminated. B, L has to be immediately before or immediately after jogging. We're going to find a jogging. It doesn't have an L immediately before or immediately after, so B is eliminated. Jogging has to be earlier than laundry, so we're looking for J earlier than L. JL, 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 JL. That's every single board. We're not going to eliminate that one because we're not sure that it's 100% the same, so we're going to leave that one alone. We're going to move on to D. L has to be earlier than H. So here we have L later than H. D is eliminated. L has to be earlier than J. Here we have J earlier than L, so E is eliminated. C is the correct answer, and we're done. 100% correct in under 4 minutes.